We'll guide you through how to make group on monday.com. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your browser on your computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection before accessing monday.com. Go to monday.com by entering the website address into the address bar and waiting for the homepage to load completely. Click Go to My Account to open the sign-in page and access your workspace. Choose the login method that you want to use. For this example, sign in with your email address. Enter your email address in the required field and verify that it is entered correctly before proceeding. Next, type your password into the password field associated with your account. After reviewing your login credentials and confirming that the information is correct, click Login to access your monday.com account. Open the board that you want to use, making sure that you select the correct board where you plan to create and organize your groups. Click Add New Group below one of your existing groups to create a new group within the selected board. Enter a group name according to your needs, using a clear and descriptive name that helps you easily identify the group's purpose later. If you want to change the group color, click the color box and choose the color that you want to use, making it easier to visually distinguish the group from other groups on your board. You have now successfully created a group in monday.com, and it is ready for you to organize your tasks. If you want to change the group's position, click and drag the group to your preferred location until it appears in the desired position on the board. If you want to collapse the group, click the arrow icon next to the group name to hide its contents while keeping the group available for later use. You can now continue managing your groups and tasks according to your needs by adding items, organizing related work, and keeping your board structured in a way that best supports your daily workflow and ongoing projects.